morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay, so today is our in sale, and we expect many customers. And I want you to focus on restocking the shelves so that the products will always be available. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good.
Wait, everyone! Forget about restocking for now. The checkout counters are getting crowded. I want all of you to assist the customers immediately. But ma'am, the store manager told us to arrange the shelves first. I'm your department supervisor. Follow my instructions. No, we're confused. Who can we follow? Excuse me, I can find moving on the shelf. I'm sorry, ma'am. I was assigned to assess the customers, so I wasn't able to restock the shelves.
Why is the line at the counter so long?
Sorry, ma'am. We're short of stock because everyone received different instructions.
Everyone, where the shelves are empty? Why are the customers waiting so long?
Ma'am, I instructed employees to assist the customers because the checkout area became crowded.
But I instructed them to restock the shelf first. You should have coordinated first before giving instructions.
Ma'am, in a matrix organizational structure, employees report to both the store manager and department supervisor. If manager don't communicate, employees receive conflicting instructions and become confused.
Starting today, we will conduct a coordination meeting before opening the store. Managers and supervisors must agree on one work plan before giving instructions. Employees' assignments will be divided clearly. We will use our group chats and daily briefing to communicate any changes. Employees should ask for clarification whenever they receive conflicting instruction. Does everyone agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, in a matrix organizational structure, employees should report to more than one supervisor. Therefore, clear communication and coordination are essential. So, effective communication help us strengthen coordination between managers and supervisor, that is matrix structure. Respond quickly to customer needs and keep products available, that is market process theory. Provide better customer service and stay ahead of competitions, that is corporate competition. Reduce confusion, improve teamwork, and increase productivity. That is organizational efficiency. Let's communicate before making decisions. So everyone, one team, one plan, one